Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to do voiceovers on Facebook Reels. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add some of your voiceovers over on Facebook Reels. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Facebook application. And then from here, I'd like you to proceed with tapping on the option to basically upload your reels or create your own reels. So in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, just by going over onto my plus icon right here, and then tapping on this reels option. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on camera, and I'm gonna go and redo a quick recording of the reel that I wanna go ahead and upload. So, as you were recording, of course, just go ahead and do whatever you'd like. You could also use videos that you have taken from the past to use over on as media over on your Facebook Reels. But once you're done and happy with what you've did, what we need to do next is to choose these options. So the first option is to tap on audio, and let's see if it is actually possible for us to add a voiceover on there. And it is, so all we need to do to add a voiceover is just tap on this option called add voiceover. Now, we can now choose a specific part of the video to start the specific voiceover on. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and just choose this one, and then tap on record, and it's now currently recording my voiceover as I speak. And tap on stop recording to just go ahead and, well, stop the recording of your voiceover. And once you're happy with what you've recorded, tap on done, and then you're ready to share your reel to your Facebook feed. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.